Have you ever wanted to use ChatGPT in the best way possible but weren't sure how? Or maybe you've heard that you can make money with AI, create content, or even speed up your daily tasks, but you don't know where to start? Well, today I have an amazing opportunity for you. A professional course that teaches you how to use ChatGPT like an expert. And the best part? Right now, you can get this course completely free. The course I'm introducing today, Mastering ChatGPT, a practical guide for everyone. The original price of this course is around €20. More than 8,000 students have already enrolled in it. What will you learn in this course? How to use ChatGPT for different tasks. Creating high-quality, engaging content using AI. Saving time by automating tasks. Various ways to make money with ChatGPT. And the great thing is, this course is suitable for everyone, from beginners to professionals. How to get this course for free? Open your browser and search for couponcenter5.com. Make sure to enter the website address correctly. Coupon Center 5 is an incredible website that offers many free courses in different categories with discount codes. So, if you love learning without spending money, this is the perfect place for you. Once you're on the site, go to the Office Productivity category. Find the course Mastering ChatGPT. Click on it, and scroll down the page. Now, press the Go to the Course button. And just like that, you can enroll in this course completely free, but remember, this discount is available for a limited time, so don't wait too long to sign up. If you want to get even more free courses and level up your skills, make sure to visit Coupon Center 5. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video.